Corliss, I wish you were here. This is what I'm spending my afternoon doing, is skiing on beautiful Mount Sima in the sunshine. And I would very much like for you to be here, but I know that's not possible, because I would like to show you how I can ski. But the next best opportunity is to have you watch my shadow on top of Dan's Descent. I'm about to descend on Dan's Descent, and you can watch my shadow skiing. There we go. That's it, we're back at the lift. I'm going for another run, but not you.